Good morning, everyone. Today we discuss our notes. That is, the first one is new words. Okay, see, physically strong, challenge, humble, giants, announce, imagine, robbing, searching, snoring, and pick quietly, fierce, pulled, courtiers, amazed, pleased, delighted, grand, praise. These are our meanings and give the new words. The first one is new words. You put this one. Number one is the new words, and the second one is the give the meanings of. Write this way. First you write the words and meanings, and one is over. Then put an underline. Okay, these are the meanings of this one. I will send these notes and frame the sentence on. First one is delighted and amazed and announced. You write the first, you search the meanings of what is the meaning of delighted, and then you make the sentence. Okay, and what is the meaning of amazed, then you make the sentence and announcement. Okay, and see, answer the following question. I explain that one. Who robbed travelers in the kingdom? The first question is, who robbed travelers in the kingdom? Kingdom में who robbed the travelers? The two giants who lived in a forest robbed travelers in the kingdom. Who robbed it? The two giants. They are lived in a forest. These two giants robbed the लूट किया किसको? ट्रैवलर्स टू द किंगडम. And number two, how did the giant snorts help the tailor? See, how did the giant snorts help the tailor? Tailor को कैसे इसका snoring sound help हो गया? See, the giants were snoring loudly, है ना? The two giants were snoring loudly, एकदम जोर जोर से वो snoring किया. The tailor could hear their snorts from a long distance. एकदम दूर से उसको tailor को सुन सकता है वो. He followed the sound. What the tailor do it? He followed the snoring sound and found the giants sleeping under a tree. Okay, and he found the giants. They are sleeping under a tree. So the tailor could hear their snorts from a long distance. He followed the sounds and found the giants sleeping under a tree. Okay, see the next one. What did the giants think about the stones hitting them? See the question. What did the giants think about? Giants क्या सोचा था? The stones hitting them. वो अपने आप को एक एक को वो the stones hitting them. How it is possible? What did the giants thought about? Think that each of the giants thought the other giant was hitting him with pretending to be a slave. What? Each of the giants thought, okay, each of the giants, both of them thought that each of the giants thought that the other giant was hitting. Okay, दूसरा वाला उसको hitting कर ले. They both of them thought that each of they are hitting the other one and hitting him with pretending to be a sleep. उसका बाद में वो नाटक करता है, वो सो रहे करके नाटक करता है. Okay, so each of the giants thought the other giant was hitting him and pretending to a sleep. Okay, see the next question. What do you think would have happened if the two giants trusted each other? See the question. What do you think would have happened if the two giants trusted each other? See, instead of suspecting each other, they would have searched for the person who was hitting them. They would not have fought, and the tailor would not have been able to tie them to a tree. What the question? What do you think? हम लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं? What do you think would have happened if the two giants trusted each other? आप लोग सोचो, ये दोनों आपस में इतना ट्रस्ट करने से they trust each other, this would happen? No. What do you think that this would happen if the two giants trusted each other? आपस में इतना ट्रस्टिंग होने से, विश्वास होने से ये सब होएगा? No. See that one. Instead of suspecting each other, दूसरा को ब्लेम करने का बदली, Okay, they are, instead of suspecting each other, they would have searched for the person who was hitting them. वो दूसरा को ब्लेम करने का बदली बोथ ऑफ दम आर सर्चिंग द हु हिट द क्या हिटिंग दम, कौन मारा है ये पर्सन को ढूंढने से क्या है कौन सा पर्सन हम लोग को मारा है, ये आदमी कौन है करके इसको ढूंढना है ना. सो हिटिंग दम, दे वुड नॉट हैव फोर्ट एंड दे वुड नॉट हैव ए फोर्ट, ओ आपस में इन लोग लड़ाई करने का ज़रूरत नहीं था. ओके, एंड द टेलर वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू टाई, द टेलर को ये दोनों के व्हाट हैपन, दे आर हिटिंग बैडली, हिटिंग ईच अदर एंड हर्ट बैडली, है ना. दे कैन अनएबल टू मूव, दे कैनॉट मूव इट, दे आर अनएबल टू मूव, they are lying there. Okay, so the tailor would tie to the tree. So the tailor would not have been able to tie them to a ट्री. वो टेलर को उसको ये दोनों को वो आपस में ट्रस्ट करने से, विश्वास करने से ये दोनों मिलके वो आदमी को ढूंढेगा. ढूंढने से ये टेलर को ये दोनों जाइंट्स को ट्री को बांधना नहीं होता है. That is the question answer. What do you think would have happened if the two giants trusted each other? Instead of suspecting each other, they would have searched for the person who was hitting them. They would not have fought, and the tailor would not have been able to tie them to a tree. Clear? Okay. The lesson over. So I will send these notes and book exercise, textbook exercise. Everyone write in your notebook and exercise textbooks. You write the answers in the textbook. Okay. Thank you.